I've managed to build the best fitness tracker using Notion. It has three main benefits. You can easily create and complete any workout. It accelerates fitness progress, and it motivates you to challenge your limits. Let's start by building a workout. There's already over 100 exercises and stretches added to the dashboard that I can use. To create a workout, I select the Build Workout button here. When creating the workout, I can input a name and day of the week and then start adding my exercises. It's that easy. I'm building an arm workout, so I've added biceps and triceps as my focus areas. Each row in the workout is a new exercise or weight, and I can specify how many reps and sets to do, and make notes on form to ensure I'm doing the exercise properly in the gym. Creating a recovery routine is just as simple. I can then add these workouts into a plan to organize my training. When I'm at the gym or want to start a workout, I can quickly and easily enter the dashboard's workout view from my phone's home screen. Select a workout and press Start Workout to begin. Tracking performance is one of the best ways to accelerate progress. That's why we've made it easy to track performance across a number of areas. For example, when you create a workout, you can input the maximum amount of reps you can do for each exercise and weight. When you continue to complete the workout, you can test out your max reps and record your growth on each exercise. Another way I can track my lift progress is to use this exercise table. Here I can track my personal best across the exercises, weights, reps, distances, or times. I have complete freedom to track any part of my fitness. This motivates me to continually seek areas for improvement and strive for better performance each time I work out. Finally, let's talk about challenges. Challenges are what push us past our limits and keep us motivated towards achieving progress. That's why challenges and goals are a big part of my fitness tracker. There's a table full of exciting online fitness challenges, ranging from low to expert difficulty for you to attempt. Or you can choose to design a custom fitness challenge across any type of activity. At the moment, I'm trying to increase my cardio, so this 100-kilometer running challenge is perfect for me to attempt next. I'm going to add it as a custom challenge to show you how it works. Create a name for the challenge and choose an activity type, unit of measurement, and starting point. Now I have the option to either set a target or add a percent amount of growth I want to achieve. I can then add a deadline or choose how many days I want the challenge to be. Once I start the challenge, it appears in my Active Challenges section. From here, I can see how many days are left, my current progress, and my target. In this section, I can see the number of active challenges and also keep track of my completed challenges across the different activity types. I also have several options if I want to add more time to challenges or make bulk changes. Combining these three areas makes this the perfect app for accelerating your progress, boosting your consistency, and increasing your enjoyment from every workout. You can download the dashboard for yourself by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching.